Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Sony FZ100 Rechargeable Battery Pack. Over here it's written, this is the model number FZ100, and this is what the battery is supposed to look like. This is the most commonly used battery that you'll find in that you will find being used by professional camera person and professional shoot crew for all their work. It can be used with almost any DSLR, and some of the others using an adapter even. It has the capacity is 16.4 work hours, and this particular battery has a capacity of 2200 mAh. 7.2 volt battery, and yeah, this is a 7.2 volt battery. Do we have any more information? Well, that's more or less it. This is a rechargeable battery. Let's just open this box and show you what's inside. There you go. And over here we have a user manual. Actually, this is not a user manual. This is more of a product information manual for this particular device. And this is the Sony FZ100 rechargeable battery pack for your DSLR cameras primarily. This is an lithium battery as it's written over here. And do we have any more information? Yes, as mentioned earlier, this is a 16.4 work hour battery and comes with a capacity of 2280 mAh. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Sony FZ100 rechargeable battery pack. Thank you for watching.